Now, we will see the another problem. Find the force on Q1, that is 20 microcoulomb, due to the charge Q2 minus 300 microcoulomb, and Q1 is available at 012 and Q2 is available at 200. Okay. So, on charge Q1 we have to find, on Q1 we have to find, that is equal to 20 microcoulomb due to the charge Q2, that is equal to minus 300 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 power minus 6, and Q1 is available at 012, Q2 is available at 200. So, here in space how these two charges are available in positions that we will see. So, x axis is perpendicular to the plane, that is YZ plane, our screen is the YZ plane, x axis coming out of the YZ plane, coming out of the screen, like that we can able to take. Now, Q1 is available at 012, that means x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 1, z coordinate is 2, that is nothing but Q1 is available on the YZ plane, that is this is 0, this is 1, y is equal to 1, z is 1, z is 2, that means this is the position represented with coordinates 0, 1, 2. So, here charge Q1 is available, Q1 is equal to 20 microcoulomb is available, and charge Q2 is available at 200, that means x coordinate is available, y coordinate and z coordinate both are zeros, that means that is actually available on the x axis itself only. So, Q2 is available on the x axis here, that is 2, 0, 0, represented with Q2, that is equal to minus 300 microcoulomb. Now, the force is along the line which is joining these two charges. So, like this we have to draw. So, the force is along this particular line, and here only we can able to take R12 bar. So, one thing I have told, that is we have to take what is observation point and what is the source point. After observing those two, the first thing what you need to do in the sense, you have to calculate the distance vector, and distance vector is given by observation position minus source position. Observation position means where you are finding the force, where you are finding the field. Okay. So, force we are finding in the position 0, 1, 2 at Q1 actually. Okay. On Q1 we are calculating in the position 0, 1, 2. So, that is our observation point. Source point is the position 200, that is the source point. So, observation point minus source point is the formula for this distance vector, that is 0 minus 2, x coordinates difference I am taking 0 minus 2, that is minus 2 Ax cap, 1 minus 0, that is 1 Ay cap, plus 2 minus 0, that is 2 Az cap. This is the distance vector. Now, we will take the magnitude for this one. Magnitude is also important for us. In the formula of the force vector, we have the magnitude of the distance vector, that is magnitude of R12, that is square root of minus 2 square, that is 4, plus 1 square, that is 1, plus 2 square, that is 4. That means it is root 9, that is nothing but 3. Now, I am taking the force formula, that is magnitude, sorry, F12 bar is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by magnitude of R12, directly I am taking cube, and here magnitude of, sorry, R12 bar. So, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is nothing but 9 into 10 power 9, that is multiplied with the Q1 Q2. Q1 is 20 micro means 10 power minus 6, Q2 is minus 300 micro means 10 power minus 6, and in the numerator itself R12 bar is there, that also I am including here, that is minus 2 Ax cap plus Ay cap plus 2 Az cap by what is there, magnitude of R12 cube is there. Magnitude of R12 we got 3, that means 3 into 3 into 3. Now, 3 3s are 9 is cancelled by numerator 9, 3 1s are here 300 is there, that means here we will get 100. Okay. So, this is 10 power 9, 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6 is there, that is 10 power minus 12. That means we will get here 10 power 9 this part and 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6, this is 10 power minus 12. That means I am taking here 10 power minus 3, 9 minus 12, that is 10 power minus 3 we will get, and here 20 into minus 100, that is minus 2000, that can be written as minus I am writing here 2 into 10 power 3, like this we can write, that is multiplied with the vector minus 2 ax cap plus ay cap plus 2 az cap. So, it is equal to 10 power minus 3, 10 power plus 3 will be 1 only, then we will get minus 2 times of this one. So, if you multiply minus 2 within this vector, then what you will get? Plus 4 ax cap minus 2 ay cap, next minus 4 az cap, that is our answer. Okay, this is the force vector. Now, we will see the another concept regarding this particular Coulombs law, that is superposition of the forces. So, in general superposition principle is generally applicable for the linear systems. In case of the signals and systems, you might have seen about the linear system, where that is satisfying the additivity principle and homogeneity principle. In case of network theory or the circuit theory, linear circuits will be there, where you will be finding the response in one particular branch due to more than one particular source. So, the procedure is same. The total response is equal to the individual responses, sum of the individual responses, like that we have to take. For example, in case of signals and systems, what you have done? You have taken one linear system, and that is given by some relation like y of t is equal to into x of t, and input is x of t, output is y of t. You apply another input x1 of t, you will get output y1 of t. Apply another input x2 of t, corresponding output is y2 of t. Your next input is the sum of the previous two inputs, that is x1 plus x2. Then if you get the output as y1 plus y2, then you can able to tell that that particular system is satisfying the additivity principle. And already we have observed that for x, y is the output. For that x, if you multiply with some number like 2 into x of t, if your output is 2 into y of t, then you can able to tell here scaling property or this homogeneity property has been satisfied by that particular system. And in this case x1 plus x2 leads to the output y1 plus y2, where we can tell additivity rule has been satisfied. So, finally, if these two are satisfied, we can tell that is a linear system. Similarly, here what we are doing in the sense, we have more than one charge now. Previously we have done Q2 charge is there and Q1 charge is there. Due to Q1 some force is there on Q2. Now on this Q2, because of Q3 also the force is available. So we have to calculate the overall force on Q2 due to the charges Q1 and Q3. Whatever the total force is there on Q2 due to Q1 and Q3, that force can be written as the sum of the individual forces caused by Q1 individually and Q3 individually. That is the thing we can able to do. So the total force on Q2, that is F2, is equal to the individual force F12 bar, it is nothing but what? Force on Q2 due to Q1 plus the individual force that is F32, that is force on Q2 due to Q3. This is the thing. So we are following the here additivity principle. Similarly, for example, whatever the force you are getting on Q2 due to Q1, that is F12. This is what? Due to Q1 on Q2. If you multiply Q1 with for example number 2, then what is the force available on Q2 means 2 times of F12 bar, like this you will get. So, here this is scaling property, this is additivity property, okay. That is the thing we have, sorry, this is the additivity property. So, based on that, here one concept is given, same thing is available here. Here our test charge is the Q naught. On this Q naught, due to Q1 some force is available, that force is along the direction which is joining these two, okay, that is along the line which is joining these two point charges, that is like this. And on that point charge Q naught only, due to Q2 again you have another force, and this force is also having the direction along the line which is joining Q2 and Q naught. So, only one force is there, total force is only one force on Q naught, but what is the direction of that particular force, that is important here, direction is important here. Calculating the magnitude is easy, but direction is important. So, that is here one vector is available in this particular direction, second vector is this direction. So, the resultant vector will be, the resultant direction will be like this, okay. Otherwise, you can able to apply vector addition rule. This is the concept of the superposition of the principle, okay. So, here not only two charges, you can take n number of charges. So, the force equation can be remodified like this. F12 bar is equal to, generally if you consider only 2 point charges, what is the formula? 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by magnitude of R12 cube into R12 bar. If you take F10, what is the meaning of this one? On Q naught due to Q1. So, 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q naught, on Q naught we are calculating due to Q1 by magnitude of R12 cube into R12 bar. Okay. Now, F20, that means due to Q2 on Q naught we are calculating the force, that is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q2 Q naught by magnitude of R12 cube into R12 bar. So, like this we have written. So, these two are representing force on Q2 only, sorry, force on Q naught only. This equation is representing force on Q naught due to Q1, this equation is representing force on Q naught due to Q2. What is the overall force on the Q naught means, we have to take the addition of these two. So, F naught is equal to overall force on Q naught, that is equal to F10 plus F20. What is common for them? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common, or epsilon is common, Q naught is common. Then here R1, sorry, here I have to take R10, here R20.